And on occasion, we get shitty days like this. Right there is a big ass puddle. You can kind of tell how deep it is. Right there's a big ass puddle. My stall's all wet. Look at it. It was actually raining harder a second ago. And the majority of my stall is clean. You got this little water right here. But I have a car there and a car there, so I'm going to have to work right here. This is where I'm going to be working. I have like 3 feet of dry spot to work on. And I won't even have that once I bring the car in. Yay for wet days.